Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your DraftKings account. Really easy and simple, guys. So you can basically visit the close account page. I'm going to show you how to do this first via a desktop or laptop, okay? You just log into your DraftKings account, click on your profile, click on account information, and just go ahead and click on it, login and security. Scroll down. You just want to click on this option right here that says close account. You can read the terms. What you can do is you can select a reason as well why you don't want to with the account. Go ahead and press continue. Then they'll ask you to input your password and then do a confirmation that you want to delete the account, and then just go ahead and click on done. Okay, really that easy and simple. And if you want to do this through the app, this is what you do, guys. So you want to click on your user profile at the top right, then you'll get a bunch of settings. What you want to do, guys, click on settings again right here. And then what you're going to do is scroll down. You'll see this option that says close account. Same steps, basically. Just go ahead and read this. Give the reason for your closure. This is entirely optional, but you can go ahead and choose whatever option you want. Come here, click on continue. They'll ask you to put in your password. And then once you do that, you want to click on yes, close my account. And then you'll get this confirmation message. You can just go ahead and click on done. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.